How to record your mobile screen. Welcome to Teach for You. Sometimes you might need to record a video from your mobile screen for a tutorial or to give a series of explanations. Stay with me and I will explain the easiest way. First, open Quick Panel and look for the screen recorder icon, which is probably located in this section. If you don't find it, tap on this pen to enter this page and click on the Edit. And in this section, first find the screen recorder icon. There is, and add it by dragging up and dropping it. Click on the Done. Now by clicking on this icon, you can start recording video from your screen, and if you keep your finger on this icon for a few seconds, you will enter the recorder setting page, where the first part is related to screenshot settings and the second part is related to screen video recording settings. But because the program is being recorded, the options are disabled. The first option determines which sound to record on the video. Known or no sound, media or just inside Android sound, media and mic or inside Android and ambient sound. The second option determines the quality of the video, and the third option is the size of the selfie. And by turning on the fourth option, our finger kicks are recorded as a red circle in the video, and this is very useful in education videos. And in the fifth option, you can specify the location of the videos. If you want to know how to enable two-step authentication to prevent hacking in popular programs, then watch this video. And if you want to know how to hide files and applications by using the secret folder feature, then watch this video.